Create a stimulating environment. Moms can set up an environment at home that encourages learning through play. This includes having age-appropriate toys, books, and materials that promote exploration and discovery. Use everyday activities as learning opportunities. Moms can incorporate learning into everyday activities such as cooking, grocery shopping, or cleaning. For example, counting fruits while grocery shopping or identifying colors while folding laundry can help toddlers learn in a natural and fun way. Read together every day. Reading to toddlers is one of the most important activities for early learning. Moms can make reading a daily routine, choosing books with colorful pictures and simple stories that capture their child's interest. Sing songs and rhymes. Music is a powerful tool for learning. Moms can teach toddlers new words, concepts, and even basic math skills through songs and rhymes. Nursery rhymes, in particular, are great for developing language skills and rhythm. Encourage exploration and curiosity. Moms can foster a love of learning by encouraging toddlers to explore their surroundings and ask questions. Providing opportunities for hands-on exploration and experimentation helps toddlers develop critical thinking skills and a thirst for knowledge. Offer choices and independence. Giving toddlers choices and allowing them to make decisions fosters independence and confidence. Moms can offer simple choices throughout the day, such as which book to read or which snack to eat. Empowering toddlers to take an active role in their learning. Provide positive reinforcement. Praise and encouragement go a long way in motivating toddlers to learn. Moms can celebrate their child's achievements, no matter how small, and provide positive reinforcement to build their confidence and enthusiasm for learning. Keep learning activities short and engaging. Toddlers have short attention spans, so it's important to keep learning activities brief and engaging. Moms can break learning tasks into small, manageable chunks and vary activities to keep their child's interest piqued. Focus on hands-on learning. Toddlers learn best through hands-on experiences that engage their senses. Moms can provide opportunities for tactile exploration through activities such as finger painting, sensory viz, or building with blocks. Follow your child's lead. Every child learns at their own pace and in their own way. Moms can observe their child's interests and strengths and tailor learning activities to suit their individual needs. Following their child's lead ensures that learning remains enjoyable and relevant to their interests. Be patient and flexible. Learning takes time, and toddlers will inevitably make mistakes along the way. Moms should be patient and supportive, providing guidance and encouragement as their child learns new skills. It's also important to be flexible and willing to adapt activities based on their child's interests and developmental stage.